Hello family, right now I'm currently hanging out in the beautiful Kaulu by Gentry, and one of the main reasons why I'm making this video is simple. Kaulu is still, to me, the biggest bang for your buck, especially for a brand new development, detached single family home here in west side of the island. And real quick, I'm just gonna be going over a couple of the pros and cons about this development. So stay tuned, keep watching. So maybe we can start with the pros of beautiful Kaulu here. Look at how spacious this living room slash kitchen is. The first thing that I can tell you right now is, as I mentioned already, the price point. It's at $950,000, move-in ready, brand new appliances. It does come with this central AC, and look at how beautiful and gorgeous this dining or island countertop is. And it also includes all of this appliances, stainless steel appliance, and look at how gourmet look and feel the stovetop is alongside with your refrigerators. So first things first is the fact that it's brand new, it's move-in ready. You're more likely not gonna have any types of issues with maintenance, with plumbing, with electrical. So for under $1 million, that's kind of what you're gonna expect for a brand new development here in Kaulu. Now, the next thing I'd like to mention is Kaulu by Gentry is located in Kapolei. And if you don't know what's going on here in Kapolei, just a decade ago, there was nothing. This was considered the boonies. Nobody wanted to live on the side. Why? Is because jobs and things like Home Depot did not exist. Things like Target, Costco. There's now a Shibuya here. One of the largest Don Quixote's Asian supermarket is now located just minutes away from where Kaulu by Gentry is currently located. So again, the second city, ongoing development here in Kaulu. This is Kapolei area. Now, Chris, what is the biggest cons here in Kaulu by Gentry? I must say, whenever you're thinking about the word detached single family home, it's usually steering away from maintenance fee. And Kaulu by Gentry does have or offers a detached single family home, but it includes a $200 maintenance fee or association dues. Again, this is not similar to maintenance fee in a condo or a townhome. This association dues is strictly for the future upkeep of probably the painting of these brand new detached single family homes, and of course the agriculture, the plants that they need to maintain, just to ensure that the vibe and the ambiance of this development remain intact. Another con that I can mention about Kaulu by Gentry is the street parking. It is actually limited. In fact, from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m., you need to remove your vehicles from the street. And again, some people might actually like this. Why? Is because it becomes more of a private community. It doesn't allow lots of visitors, sleeping over. And sometimes one of the biggest complaints I get from my clients is the parking street to be so crowded, and there's all different types of vehicles that are just parked outside and it's been there for weeks and nobody is intending to move them. Now, another con that I need to mention too is it is a zero lot property. So for individuals who love their large land spaces, who really wants that big backyard space, Kaulu Gentry was probably not the right product for you. And zero lot means you only own one side of the property, which means the wall of your neighbor is actually your fence line. So for individuals who maybe want less maintenance work for their detached single family homes, don't want to mow the lawn, don't want to upkeep your backyard space, this might just be that perfect product here in Kaulu by Gentry. So again, if you're interested in getting to know a little bit more about this development, detached single family homes, go ahead and reach out to me. This is Plan 3, Hoku floor plan here in Kaulu by Gentry at $950,000.